southeast, south central Michigan here. We're actually west of Adrian. Got heavy rain. Not too bad on the rain right now. But yeah, this is what I'm driving into, what I seen coming when I was at Walmart. Whoa, buddy. We've got wind gusts and heavy rain. Lightning, I see. Decrease my speed. I know I've seen trees down. Some big ones too, and my wife told me my friend has a tree came down on his house. So I'm gonna swing by there too, although I do need to get some gasoline, so hopefully I don't end up running out of gas before I get into town, because I felt like getting in a hurry. Run out of gas, that'll make things take a lot longer. But I should be alright. Anyway, see what we got. Going this way, I know I'm definitely skirting the edge of this thing. Kind of avoiding the heaviest stuff. Lucky me that the main road would do such a thing. Fun to drive in. It's definitely cleared up the last mile or so. Yeah, I think I'm out of what might be the worst part of it for my drive. So I guess I'll go ahead and set this down. Keep it safe. Definitely riding the edge of this thing. What a beautiful sight this is over here, but man, you look over here. Yeah. And I keep catching the edge of this thing, so it's definitely got a northern push. But nearly home now. We needed the rain. We definitely didn't need the trees coming down though. So hopefully the damage isn't too bad. Sounds like my friend has one on his house. We'll go see what that looks like. Hopefully it ain't too bad. Maybe I can help him with my chainsaw. Oh my. It's getting more serious here as I come into town. Got some serious wind. Well, good timing on the drive. I got the business taken care of. Made my way into town. Just in time to see this little town get dumped on. Let's take a turn. See what we got. I got a feeling I know what tree come down, if it came down, like my wife said. Maybe it was just a piece of it. A lot of trees moving, big time. Better watch it driving home. There's a branch. Small branches. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he got a tree down on his house. Yeah. Well, we knew that was gonna happen. Suppose I ought to get out to the main road, get my gasoline. Well, it don't look like it damaged anything. It helps it was pruned. I mean, no real serious damage. Could have crushed the thing if it had a bunch of branches, you know. Send a branch through the roof or something. We'll go get another look at it before I go get gas. Poor guy. I'll go get gas and give him a call. See if he wants to get that off of his house tonight. I imagine the rain will break before long. That shit happens. Yeah, we had talked about that tree being a problem. It's the city's tree too, so it's not like you're allowed to just cut it down. Maybe you can, I don't know. I just call them and tell them your tree sucks. Cut it down. Anyway, I'm going to get gas. So that should be fun. Damn, like a damn tornado blowing into town right now. Look, typhoon winds and shit. Oh yeah. That's a storm. Here we are.